Hello everybody, welcome to InfoCluster. Today we are going to talk about Python, and this is a new series in my channel. And I'm also excited that this is my first video with my own voice. Now let's get started about Python. Let's see what is Python. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate system more efficiently. It is one of the easiest languages. Unlike other programming languages, it is also very easy to install. So let's see how to install Python. To install Python, just go to any web browser in your computer and type python.org. This is the Python website from where we have to download Python. You can see many tabs here, and there we should click the downloads tab, and which will bring us here. You can see download Python 3.8.3 button. When you click that, the Python setup exe gets downloaded. You can see the Python exe has been downloaded. Just click to open that. Now when I click that exe, this screen popped up, and since I have already Python installed, I have upgrade now button. Now if you also have Python, just click that upgrade now button. So your existing Python will get upgraded to 3.8.3 or any other version you have downloaded. Okay, if you are new to Python and downloading Python for the first time, this screen will pop up, and which says install now and customize installation. Just as it says, just click install now to install Python. But before that, you can see that add Python to path checkbox. I want you to check that box so that the Python gets added to the Windows path, which means that the Python gets accessible anywhere in your Windows computer. Okay, let's come back to our case. So I have Python already installed, and this screen just popped up, which says upgrade now. And I also have the Python latest version. So I'm skipping this step. Okay, we have installed Python. Let's see about the text editor I'm using to code Python program. Okay, as you can see here, I am using Sublime Text to edit Python codes. If you want any other text editor like Idle, Visual Studio, Notepad++, or any other like that, you can use. And Idle is the one which comes with Python when you download it. And this is the Idle window in my computer. And when you download Python for the first time, your Idle window will not look like this. It's because this is my customized Idle window, and when you download Idle, the background will be in white color, and this will be in black, and etc etc. Okay, I once used Idle to program my Python code. So now I am not using Idle, so I am closing it. Okay, this is the Sublime Text. If you also want Sublime Text to edit your code and want to install that, just like Python, go to web browser and type Sublime Text. You can see the link here. Click that. This is the Sublime Text web page from where you have to download Sublime Text, setup exe, and install stuff and all. You can see download for Windows. When you click that, just like Python, the setup exe will get downloaded. You have to go to the downloads folder to install it. Okay, we have downloaded Python and downloaded the text editor. Now let's see the terminal I am using to execute the Python code. I am using just the Windows command prompt to execute my code. and I say I have all my Python programs in Python YT folder in my computer. So it's just the normal command prompt which you use to execute any command. Okay. uh, we have prepared for to we have prepared everything to write our first code. So let's get started to write our first code. So here's my Python YT folder, and which currently doesn't have any files. So we have to create one Python file. Just right click on that and click new file, and as you can see, this tab comes, and which is just a plain text, not a Python file. We have to save that. Click Control and S to save that. This save dialog box open, and just type the file name you want to save it as. I am saving it as hello.py and click save. So here's our Python file with nothing in it. Okay, let's type the first code. Since Python is very easy, if you want to print any text on the screen, just type print and brackets. Just like it sounds, it prints text on the terminal window. Okay, you can see two brackets here, which means that print is a function, and function is a piece of code which does something. So inside that bracket we have to give codes, which doesn't have to be necessarily be double quotes, and it can be single quotes or triple quotes or something like that. Now for my convenience I'm using double quotes. Within the double quotes we have to give the word or a sentence that we want to print on the terminal. In our case it's hello world, and let's save the file. Control S. We have saved the file, and Sublime Text is just a text editor. We cannot execute Python files here. So as we discussed, we are going to command prompt to execute our file. So I saved my file as hello.py and typing it command prompt. So as you can see, it printed out hello world. It's just we gave in the Sublime Text. So this is our program, and that's all for my video. Please like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.